Jersey fresh. Let's go inside and take a look, and then we'll decide what we're going to make today. Okay. This is what happens when you see the zucchini, you don't pick it and you leave it overnight. They're big, but they're great for zucchini alla scapece. So that's what we'll make, and the smaller ones we're going to make spaghetti alla Nerano. Hello everybody, this is Alessandra. Welcome to my home, welcome to my kitchen. We're going to be making spaghetti alla Nerano. I already have a spaghetti alla Nerano recipe up. There's so many different, slightly different variations, and this is another way to do it. Both delicious, just a little different. Simple ingredients. We're 3 people eating, so just double up the recipe for as many as you need. I have 6 zucchini. I have fresh basil. I have 300 grams of pasta, which is about 11 ounces, a little bit less than a pound. I have a cup of Pecorino, Romano, and Parmigiano mix. If you could get provolone del Monaco, which is what the original recipe calls for. Add the zucchini, but before you start doing that, get a frying pan on with sunflower oil, vegetable oil, peanut oil. I'm using sunflower oil today. Okay, cut the top of the zucchini and the bottom. And then what you want to do, you want to get even slices. You could use a mandolin, but if you do, please watch your fingers. So let's get this cut. Try to make them as even as possible. Okay, let's get them fried. You want, the oil's about 350. They do release a little bit of the water, so you're gonna have to give it a couple minutes for the frying. Look how beautiful they are. Just let them turn a little bit more golden, and then we'll remove them. Perfect color. Let's go ahead and remove them and add the next batch. Look how little you remain. It's still enough for what we're doing, but now I understand why my nonna would get up at 6 a.m. to start cooking. We were always about 12 around the table, so there's a lot of zucchini to fry. Here I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Now, you could wrap this up right in the paper towel so it absorbs the oil, and keep it overnight in the fridge and cook it tomorrow. I'm gonna make pasta tonight. So let's move back over to the stove and continue with the next step. Just a little drizzle of olive oil, just to get everything started. I'm gonna say about a tablespoon, not even more than that. I'm gonna go ahead and add the zucchini chips in. Let's call them zucchini chips. And a little bit of the olive oil. Okay, let them do their thing till the pasta water starts boiling. Water's boiling. Let's add the salt in, the spaghetti in. Okay, help yourself to get them all in. Don't break your pasta. Non si rompono gli spaghetti. Okay, just give it a good stir. Okay, now let's keep an eye on this side. Okay, we're going to get a little bit of the pasta water and cream the zucchini. So here it goes. Just a little bit. See that? The trick for this pasta, when you boil pasta, spaghetti, any shape actually, is to always have enough water and to keep stirring it. Don't add oil to your pasta water. It's really not a good idea, because whatever you put on it, then the condimento you put on it is going to slip right off. And I actually like to use the bronze cut spaghetti. It's got a rougher texture, so anything you put on it, it really grabs on for extra flavor. It's really a great pasta. I'm also going to cream my cheese, so I don't have lumpy cheese in it, but a smooth cream. Just add a little bit later about it. Take your spoon and just stir it like this. I have a ratio of Parmigiano and Pecorino Romano, but you could do either or. Again, if you could find the provolone del Monaco, I've also made it with auricchio provolone. It really gives it a wonderful flavor. Spaghetti al dente, let's get them moved over to the side of the zucchini, and we're gonna finish cooking them right in here, adding a little bit of the pasta water as needed. Okay. The secret ingredient, the butter. This is 3 tablespoons. And now slowly, let's also add the cheese. Now it's all going to come together. Okay. While it does its thing, let's add some of the black pepper and be generous. If you could see off the side, take the color. Look at the color of that. Look at that. Look, see the cream? See that? That's all flavor. Don't forget to add the fresh basil. Just chop it right in. And give it another good stir. And you just let it dry up so it thickens up and it makes this delicious cream. Look at that, how beautiful. I'm gonna taste it out of the big pot. This is just for picture purposes. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave me a comment, share my recipes with your friends and family if you enjoyed making them. Grazie, arrivederci, alla prossima. And now I'm going to taste it. Oh, che bontà. Look at this. Look how creamy and delicious, but I'm going to burn myself. I don't know if I can do it on camera.